ERP systems can't read customer company names directly, so normally you would have to match all customer IDs manually into the ERP systems like SAP to make it compatible. But what if you could skip that extra step and get those customer IDs into SAP directly? Today I'll show you how to do just that. First, go to Extract AI app and click on Integrations. Here we'll add a lookup table. Now let's upload our Excel file with customer company names and SAP ID codes. The next step is to create a template. Scroll down to Sales and select a template for purchase orders. The first thing we have to do is set a new rule under Customer Company Name, add Lookup field, and choose a connecting lookup table. The lookup value customer company name has to be equal to column A, and then the value column should be B-SAP ID. We can see here that a new column has been created. The last thing we have to do now is create an integration for this template, so Extract AI will ask us to confirm extractions once they're done. This will help with the accuracy of the data. Here we go under the Details tab and set Require Confirmation to Yes. Now for the last adjustment, we have to connect the two integrations. Purchase Order Template with the SAP Customer ID mapping. We want the type to be a field. For Customer Company Name, we select the same, and for SAP ID, we choose Lookup column. It's time to upload our files and map customer company names with SAP ID codes. I would like all the files to be processed together, but you can process each file separately if you want. We can see here that we are missing SAP Company ID for Dynamic Motors Corporation because it wasn't in the Excel table we uploaded. Before we confirm the extraction, let's enter the ID manually. Once we do that, it will automatically be added to the table from now on. So next time we won't have to do it by hand. Let's check under Mapping if the ID has been added. The Dynamic Motors ID has been added, but because we only added the ID for one row, it mapped the others as empty. So we'll just delete that one. Let's try to upload all of the same documents again and see if it'll remember the code for Dynamic Motors was added manually. I would like all the files to be processed together, but you can process each file separately if you want. Perfect. This means the extraction can now go directly to SAP. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next one.